Hello students, today we are going to do next topic and the topic is use of determiners. Determiners are very important as far as English grammar is concerned for common errors in every type of examinations. So what a determiner is? A determiner is a word that comes before a noun. First of all, you will have to understand that a determiner comes before a noun. Suppose here is a determiner, so the next word must be a noun. Okay, so a word that comes before a noun to show how a noun is being used means determiners are expressions that tells us how a noun is used. Mean a noun follows. A determiner gives a signal. एक सिग्नल भेजता है कि आगे आने वाला एक नाउन है. Whenever you are using determiner, one thing is very simple, that next to the word that is following that determiner is a noun, nothing else. No adjective, no pronoun, nothing else but a noun only. So these determiners are mostly adjectives. Now which words are determiners? Number one, articles. Article a and the, we have already finished articles elaborately. We have done articles in parts. Okay, so in this video, in this short lecture, I'll only try to convey you what determiner is, how many determiners are there. First of all, there are articles a and the. Then there are adjectives of quantity. Quantity that cannot be counted. Quantity is always uncountable. These adjectives of quantity that are termed as determiners are much, little, a little, the little, a good deal, a great deal of, no, some, any, enough. These are adjectives of quantity. Then we have adjectives of numbers. If we have adjectives of quantity, we have also adjectives of numbers, and they can be counted. They are countable. Each, every, either, neither, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so on, so on. A few, few, the few, both, two, several, many, more, all, a lot of, other, enough. Okay, enough is both countable and uncountable. Then we have demonstrative adjectives. What is demonstrative? Demonstrative mean pointing something, signal कर रहा है, demonstrate कर रहा है. Which one? This one, that one, these, those. So demonstrative adjectives are this, that, these, those. Then we have interrogative adjectives. These are what, which, whatever, whichever. They are used to ask question. After that will be noun always. For example, no student, some rice, any boy. Okay, each boy, every citizen, either boy, a few pencils, both boys. These are noun, will always be there. Then we have possessive adjectives. In the one of the last videos, I was telling you what possessive noun is. Here we are talking about possessive adjectives, and these possessive adjectives are my, your, his, are, her, their, its. So all these words are determiners. Okay, so all these words are determiners So first of all, you will have to keep in your mind what is determiner. Suppose examiner is asking you fill in the blanks with determiners. You will start thinking, you will be perplexed, puzzled. At least what is determiner? Suppose examiner is giving choice A and the, but he is not saying fill in the blanks with articles. He is just trying to puzzle you, and he is saying, he is just trying to confuse you, and he is saying filling the blanks with determiners. You will so no, there are, we have been given only articles. There, I don't know what determiner is. Articles are determiners. All these words are determiners. Okay, so this was just first part of determiner, that tells you, that gives you information about what determiner is. Okay, now we will start next video